The Hero 30 loitering munition represents a significant leap in modern tactical warfare. As a force multiplier, it provides unparalleled advantages on the battlefield. Its ability to loiter, identify, and engage targets with pinpoint accuracy makes it a game changer. This advanced weapon system embodies the evolution of military technology. It combines reconnaissance, surveillance, and strike capabilities in a single platform. Its versatility and precision redefine engagement strategies. The Hero 30 is crucial for today's dynamic operational environments. It empowers military forces with enhanced situational awareness and decisive action. Its introduction marks a new era of warfare, where precision and flexibility reign supreme. The Hero 30 features a compact, aerodynamic design optimized for extended loitering times. Its foldable wings enable easy transportation and rapid deployment. The munition's lightweight structure allows for maximum endurance and operational range. Primarily intended for reconnaissance and close air support missions, the Hero 30 excels in urban and complex terrain. Its ability to navigate obstacles and maintain a persistent presence over the target area makes it invaluable for intelligence gathering and target acquisition. The munition's versatility extends to engaging high-value, time-sensitive targets. Its real-time control and precision strike capabilities make it ideal for neutralizing threats with minimal collateral damage. The Hero 30 boasts an impressive set of technical specifications. With a weight of approximately 30 kilograms, it can be easily deployed from various platforms. Its powerful engine propels it to a maximum speed exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. The munition's endurance is a testament to its efficient design. It can loiter for up to 30 minutes, providing persistent surveillance and multiple engagement opportunities. Its operational range extends up to 40 kilometers, ensuring a safe distance from enemy threats. These technical capabilities, combined with its advanced guidance systems and warhead options, make the Hero 30 a formidable force multiplier on the modern battlefield. Section 4. Precision Guidance. Navigating the battlefield. The Hero 30 utilizes a sophisticated combination of GPS and inertial navigation systems, or INS, for precise positioning and control. This dual-mode guidance ensures accuracy even in GPS-denied environments. The munitions operator maintains real-time control throughout its mission, allowing for target updates and flight path adjustments. This capability ensures flexibility and responsiveness in dynamic operational scenarios. Furthermore, the Hero 30 can be equipped with advanced target tracking systems. These systems enable the munition to autonomously identify and lock onto moving targets, enhancing its effectiveness against elusive adversaries. Section 5. Warhead Capabilities. Delivering a decisive strike. The Hero 30 can be outfitted with various warhead options tailored to specific mission requirements. These include high-explosive fragmentation warheads for anti-personnel and light vehicle engagements. For hardened targets, the munition can be equipped with shaped charges designed to penetrate armor and fortifications. This versatility allows for effective engagement of a wide range of threats. The warhead's detonation can be precisely controlled, ensuring maximum impact on the target while minimizing collateral damage. This precision strike capability is crucial in populated areas or when engaging targets near friendly forces. Section 6. Operational Advantages. Reshaping Modern Warfare. The Hero 30 offers numerous operational advantages, revolutionizing modern warfare tactics. Its rapid deployment capabilities allow for swift response to emerging threats, providing a crucial time advantage. The munition's extended loitering time enables comprehensive reconnaissance and surveillance, enhancing situational awareness and facilitating informed decision-making. This capability is invaluable for target acquisition and battle damage assessment. Moreover, the Hero 30's cost-effectiveness compared to traditional air support platforms makes it an attractive option for a wide range of military operations. Its precision strike capabilities further enhance its value by reducing collateral damage and minimizing civilian casualties. In conclusion, the Hero 30 loitering munition represents a paradigm shift in modern warfare. Its versatility, precision, and cost-effectiveness make it an indispensable asset for armed forces seeking to maintain a tactical edge in an increasingly complex and unpredictable world.